IPL 2024 new points table. Number 1. Kolkata Knight Raiders playing 13 match, points 19. Number 2. Rajasthan Royals playing 12 match, points 16. Number 3. Chennai Super Kings playing 13 match, points 14. Number 4. Sunrisers Hyderabad playing 12 match, points 14. Number 5. Delhi Capitals playing 14 match, points 14. Number 6. Royal Challengers Bengaluru playing 13 match, points 12. Number 7. Lucknow Super Giants playing 13 match, points 12. Number 8. Gujarat Titans playing 13 match, points 11. Number 9. Mumbai Indians playing 13 match, points 8. Number 10. Punjab Kings playing 12 match, points 8. If you like the video, please subscribe the channel.